Hi guys. So there's been a lot of questions about where to find the nearpod code. So I think you're just going to the wrong place. And I know that for some of you guys this is not the right class, but you still find it in the same place. So even if you're not in college prep math, you're still going to go to the same place to find the nearpod lessons. So I'm just going to show you where to go. So this is your home page, whichever it says, if it's college prep math, sec 2, sec 3, whichever one it is. And then you're going to go to modules or assignments. I'm going to go to modules. And you're going to pick the assignment. So say I'm going to go into logarithmic functions 9.3. So I click that assignment and you'll see the directions, blah, 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 blah. I keep scrolling down, scrolling down. I am not, let me point this out. I am not going to go into this nearpod. No, don't go in there. You will need a code there. We're not going into there. So if you're going in there, that's the problem. So you scroll all the way down and then it says nearpod at the bottom and it will have your name in there. Your name will already be in there. So you scroll all the way down, go in all the way down to the bottom. Type your name in. Your name will already be in there. Once you log in, it'll be your name. You'll type join session and it will begin. And then you push the little arrow buttons and it will take you through the lesson. There'll be some videos, there'll be some problems. I don't know if it's going to take me. Yeah, it's not going to let me go in right now. I don't know if it'll let me. Usually my name is in here, so let's see if it'll let me go in. Yep, here we go. So I'll just walk you through it really quick so you can see what it's like. Title, you need to go ahead and push the blue button, watch the video. We're not going to watch that. And then you go to the next one, open-ended question, or draw it, or whatever tool it is. Read the question. Here's the problems. I can click on them to make it bigger. I can go on to make some notes. I can save those notes in the computer. I can go back. I can type them in. I can write the problems on a piece of paper, and then I can type them in. Once I get that done, I have to type in the answers, make sure I do 1 in the answer, 2 in the answer, 3 in the answer, and then I go to the next one and I do the same thing over again, and I click it open, I write the answers. There'll be 1 to 6 problems per slide. I didn't want to make it too long, so I put multiple questions on the same slide, and I do that, and then I go again and again, and then there's a video. And I'm just going to go ahead and slip. Oh, there was some draw it ones here. Sorry, I went back. Draw it here where you actually have to draw it. Now, I did just send out directions that if you can't do the draw it with your mouse or anything, you can go ahead and take a picture of it. And right here, let me show you that again. Right here on the bottom is an upload picture. So you can draw the picture or the answer on a separate piece of paper, take a picture on your cell phone, and upload the picture into it. Just be careful if there's already a graph that you can actually see everything that I need to see on there. If you're uploading a picture, make sure it's clear and precise and zoomed in so I can see everything if you're going to upload a picture. Because if not, I'm going to give you a 0. Video, open-ended question, open-ended question, open-ended question, video, and they're not always this many videos. And then it says thank you, and then that's it, done. You have to finish the whole thing before it's submitted to me, and that's it, you're done. Okay, so that's how the nearpod works. I just wanted to send out a quick video. Hopefully this helps you guys find out where you're supposed to be at. Thank you. Have a great day.